Welcome to my next video. As we all move to the new financial year, there will be a lot of chances of splitting your company data. Mean to say that you wanted to segregate your previous year with the current financial year. That is called splitting of your company data. Some people wanted to continue in the same company. That there is no problem. You can refer my previous video to change the financial year and continue posting your entries. Some of our customers would want to split the company data so that they can have separate company entries for a particular previous year as well as for the current year. So today's session, I will be taking you through how to split your company data. Okay, let me explain what are the benefit of splitting your company data. Say for example, you have a lot of stock items and your data, your transactions on a regular basis is too high. And at the end of the year, you have more than 30,000, 40,000 vouchers in particular company. It is always recommended to split your company data. That will actually improve the speed of your software. Also, it will increase the smoothness of your the software, especially if you all are working in a multi-user environment. If your data volume is too high and your stock items and ledgers are too high, it is always better to split your company data. Otherwise, what happens if you continue in the same company and you have more than 30 or 40,000 transactions, it will slowly slow down the system. That will affect your efficiency and that will create slowness in the system, and which will create uneasiness while doing the work. So the best way to overcome such kind of scenario is to split your company data. So let me take you to the tally screen and then I will show you how to split your company data. So we are in the tally screen. This is my particular company. It's a demo company which I have just created to show you how to split the company data. In this year, I have certain transactions and certain chart of accounts and some stock items which I have created it. So I wanted to split this particular company data for the current financial year. The first and most important step which we have to take is to take your data backup. How to take your data backup? You can please refer my previous videos. So that will help you to understand, and that will help you to take the data backup of your company data. Right? Once the data backup is done, we have an option here called data. You can see on the top left side, there is a button for data. When you click on the data, you have an option for split feature. Okay, you can choose the arrow key to select that one. Please note, you won't get this option unless you log in with the administrator username and password. If you are logging with the normal username and password, this option will not be available for you. So while trying to split your company data, and if you're not getting this option, please understand that you're logged in with a different username and password. You have to log in with the administrator username and password. So once you click on this split data, it will give you two options. One is verify data and split data. This is one of the new feature which we have introduced in our TallyPrime, verifying the data before we splitting it. In previous versions, we did not have this feature. So what used to happen, we used to put it for splitting, and in between it used to show an error messages and it used to come out from the screen. So again, we have to go and see the IMP file, that is the temporary error file, which will be available on your Tally folder. And we have to see what is the mistake, and then we have to correct it, and then we have to put it again for the splitting the data. Now in TallyPrime, the new feature how we have configured is you can first verify your data. That will help you to understand what would be the potential error messages which can occur while splitting the data. So before splitting the data, you can rectify that and then you can put it for splitting the data. That will ease your work. So what we will do now is I will click on verify data to check whether any possible or potential errors can occur or not. I click on enter it. I'll select my company data and I will accept. So it gives me a message, list of errors, no errors found. This means that I am okay to go for splitting the company data. And once you get this error message, error free screen, then you can click on data. You can click on split. You can click on split data. Okay, now Tally will ask you to select the company. and from which period you wanted to select. I'm saying I wanted to split from 1/1/2024. This means that there will be a company from 1/1/2023 to 31st/12/2023. Another company will be from 1/1/2024 to the current year. Okay, you just need to select it and you have to accept it. You can see the following companies will be created. The first company name will be demo, that is 1 Jan 2023. From that period onwards to 31st/12/2023, one company will be created. The second company will be for the current financial year, that is from 1 Jan 2023. Once you click on accept, it will ask you, you want to split the company data? Just give yes. So Tally will take you to the splitting of the screen. Depends on your data size, it will take time. Don't disturb the system without splitting the company data, or don't just close the system without splitting it. Please ensure that everything is done, the splitting is done correctly, and then you can close down the system. Now the splitting is done, so you can see here I got the company. One is from 1st Jan 2023, another one is from 1st Jan 2024. You can take the backup of this and you can make changes in the company. For example, I wanted to change the company name. I will go to the alteration and I will change, okay, January 2024 to, I can change to 31st 2024. Mailing name can be the same of the company name. You don't have to change. This will be displaying in our invoices and stuff like that. So it will make you understand which company is from which period, and that will make you work comfortable. Yeah, once the splitting is done, take the data backup, and you can continue working on the current company. Um, that's it from my side. So this is how you split your company. In case you have any kind of clarification or doubt, you can please email it to me on ronytally82@gmail.com, or you can also call me on the numbers provided here, and you can send me a WhatsApp message as well. I request you to please do subscribe my channel, and please like and share it with all your all your friends and your ecosystem. Thank you so much.